Kasi ninyo, no? Although talagang ang drone ngayon mabilis na nabibili or accessible, no? Yun nga ipinakikisuyo na hanggat maaari hayaan na natin PNP now. The challenge is paano kami magkakaroon o kami sa media ng aerial shot, no? Meron naman ho din ng lusod ng Maynila. I'm going to direct today, Director Arnel Angeles, for you to access our command center in MDRRMO, Manila City. So that you will have aerial view, live feed, and pictures, aerial pictures of the event. Para naman hindi na kayo, baka kasi hingan kayo ng desk ng ganong shot. So at least you will have a copy of those shots that needed. And in fact, I will direct Director Arnel Angeles later after this is pwede kayong tumusok sa amin. So to the network, radio, television, pwede yung tusukan yung sistema namin at papayagan namin kayo. That goes to the network and radio.
Okay, maraming